Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us. We are so very grateful to our viewers who take of their precious time to see our videos. Many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented and shared our videos. Welcome to an eye-opening presentation of the hidden dangers of driving on a flat tire. In this comprehensive video series, we'll delve deep into the risks, consequences, and necessary precautions associated with this seemingly simple car issue. Join us as we uncover the potential hazards and learn crucial strategies to handle such situations effectively. The hidden dangers of driving on a flat tire. Driving on a flat tire can pose serious risks to both you and your vehicle. Many drivers underestimate the dangers of continuing to drive with a flat tire, which can lead to a loss of control, increased braking distance, and potential damage to the wheel rim. In this post, we will explore the potential hazards of driving on a flat tire and provide essential tips for safe and responsible vehicle operation. Understanding the risks associated with this common issue is crucial for maintaining road safety and preventing costly damage to your vehicle. The importance of proper tire maintenance. Regular tire inspections. Regular tire inspections are crucial for maintaining safe and efficient driving. By visually checking the tires for any signs of wear and tear, such as low tread depth or uneven tire pressure, drivers can identify potential issues before they escalate. It's recommended to inspect the tires at least once a month and before long trips. This simple practice can help prevent the inconvenience and hazards of driving on a flat tire. Understanding the risks of driving on a flat tire. Driving on a flat tire poses significant risks to both the vehicle and its occupants. A flat tire can compromise the vehicle's handling, stability, and braking capabilities, leading to an increased likelihood of accidents. Moreover, continued driving on a flat tire can cause irreparable damage to the wheel rim, suspension components, and the tire itself. This can result in costly repairs and, in severe cases, endanger the driver and passengers. Understanding these risks underscores the importance of regular tire maintenance and prompt action in the event of a flat tire. Loss of vehicle control. When driving on a flat tire, the vehicle's handling and stability are compromised, leading to a potential loss of control. A flat tire can cause the vehicle to pull to one side or lead to uneven braking, making it challenging to steer the vehicle in the intended direction. This loss of control can be especially dangerous in emergency situations, such as sudden swerves or evasive maneuvers. Damage to the wheel and suspension. Continuing to drive on a flat tire can result in damage to the wheel and suspension components of the vehicle. The lack of cushioning provided by the tire can subject the wheel to increased stress and impact, leading to potential bending or cracking. Additionally, the suspension system may experience excessive strain, impacting the overall stability and safety of the vehicle. Increased stopping distances. Driving on a flat tire can significantly increase the stopping distance of the vehicle. The compromised tire hampers the vehicle's ability to decelerate effectively, prolonging the time required to come to a complete stop. This can be particularly hazardous in situations that demand prompt braking, such as encountering unexpected obstacles or navigating through intersections. Potential rollover risk. A flat tire can elevate the risk of a vehicle rollover, especially during high-speed driving or sharp maneuvers. The altered handling dynamics caused by a flat tire can destabilize the vehicle's center of gravity, increasing the likelihood of rollover incidents, particularly in top-heavy vehicles such as SUVs or trucks. This poses a severe threat to the safety of the vehicle occupants and other road users. The impact on other components on braking systems. When driving on a flat tire, the ability to brake efficiently is severely compromised. With a deflated tire, the vehicle's braking distance is significantly increased, posing a risk to the driver and other road users. The increased strain on the braking system due to compensating for the flat tire can lead to accelerated wear and tear, potentially resulting in costly repairs. Potential damage to the exhaust system. Driving on a flat tire can also have repercussions for the exhaust system. The dragging motion caused by the flat tire can cause the exhaust system to come into contact with the road surface, leading to potential damage. This damage can result in leaks in the exhaust system, compromising the vehicle's performance and posing a safety hazard due to the release of harmful emissions. Impact on fuel efficiency. A flat tire can lead to a decrease in fuel efficiency as the engine works harder to compensate for the increased resistance caused by the deflated tire. This extra strain on the engine can lead to higher fuel consumption, impacting the driver's wallet and the environment. Additionally, driving on a flat tire can cause irregular wear on the remaining tires, further reducing fuel efficiency and potentially necessitating premature tire replacement. Safety tips for dealing with a flat tire. Recognizing the signs of a flat tire. Recognizing the signs of a flat tire is crucial for ensuring your safety on the road. Common signs include a flapping or thumping sound, a feeling of the vehicle pulling to one side, or a sudden drop in tire pressure indicated on the dashboard. It's important to stay alert and address these signs promptly to avoid potential hazards. Proper procedure for handling a flat tire. When you suspect a flat tire, safely pull over to a well-lit flat area and turn on your hazard lights. Use a tire pressure gauge to confirm the flat tire and then begin the process of replacing it with your spare tire. Refer to your vehicle's manual for specific instructions on how to safely and correctly change a flat tire. Remember to loosen the lug nuts before lifting the vehicle and secure the spare tire properly before lowering the vehicle. Importance of having a roadside assistance plan. Having a roadside assistance plan can provide peace of mind and ensure professional help in the event of a flat tire or other roadside emergencies. Roadside assistance services can quickly dispatch help to change your tire or tow your vehicle to a repair shop if needed. Investing in a roadside assistance plan is a proactive way to protect yourself and your vehicle from the potential dangers of driving on a flat tire. In summary, driving on a flat tire poses significant risks to both the vehicle and its occupants. It can lead to loss of control, increased braking distances, and potential accidents. Furthermore, continued driving on a flat tire can cause irreparable damage to the wheel rim and the tire itself, leading to costly repairs. It is crucial to address a flat tire immediately by pulling over to a safe location and either replacing the tire with a spare or calling for roadside assistance. Prioritizing safety and proper maintenance is essential for all drivers to prevent the dangers associated with driving on a flat tire. Thank you for joining us in discovering the hidden dangers of driving a flat tire. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please hit the like button and share it with friends or family who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content on car safety, maintenance, and insightful automotive revelations. We value your opinions, so feel free to share your thoughts or any experiences you've had with flat tires in the comments below. Drive safe and stay tuned for more educational content. Thank you for watching.